Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel vanilla iced coffee. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of strong brewed coffee, 5 cups of your preferred milk, and plenty of ice. For that signature flavor, have 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup and 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce ready. This simple combination creates a delightful and refreshing beverage perfect for any time of day. Now, let's assemble your delicious iced coffee. First, drizzle 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup and 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce into the bottom of your serving glass. Next, fill the glass almost to the top with ice cubes. Slowly pour in your 1 cup of brewed coffee over the ice. Finally, add 5 cups of milk, then stir everything gently to blend the flavors for a perfect sip. Making this drink your own is easy and fun. Feel free to adjust the amount of vanilla syrup and caramel sauce to suit your taste, whether you prefer it sweeter or less so. You can also try different milks, such as almond, oat, or soy, for a unique twist. For an extra treat, top your iced coffee with a generous dollop of whipped cream and a final drizzle of caramel sauce. Enjoy your personalized creation. There you have it, a perfectly crafted caramel vanilla iced coffee made right in your own kitchen. This recipe is incredibly simple and quick, allowing you to enjoy a cafe-quality drink without leaving home. It's a fantastic way to treat yourself or impress guests. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy every refreshing sip of your delicious homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.